There's unsuitable content and then there's suitable content. The two things get a bit conflated and mixed, and I just want to tease them apart, if I may. Both of these bits of content here are categorized as being automotive content. You're an automotive advertiser. Fabulous. Yeah, I don't think I want the beer bottle driving. Probably not very suitable for me. Yes, I would want the cappuccino Sunday morning specking my new luxury car. At the moment, those are both deemed as being automotive content. So if you're an automotive advertiser, you could be randomly put in both. Clearly not good for your brand and not good for your teenage children. So as we think about this, I want us to sort of think left and right, not politically, but sort of chart-wise, that over on this side, let's avoid, it's above the brand safety floor. It's not completely toxic. We don't have people being assassinated in a place of worship, but it's unsuitable for my brand. So there's risk to my brand. I want to exclude it. Now, if I exclude the really bad stuff, am I then left in the world where I live in this randomness, that I just take the rest of run of copy? Actually, didn't we talk about in the opening section, attention drives better outcomes comes from better attention, contextual relevance makes a difference. So we can do this, low CPMs, easy inventory, but will it work as well as if we come over here and it's safe, but it's also suitable for my brand, it's relevant, and I would intentionally include it. And so as we think about all that inventory out there in social media, you literally should be able to go, okay, what do I want to avoid? What do I want to amplify? What do I want to make sure doesn't get funded, doesn't get seen, doesn't get supported? And what do I want to make sure is associated with my brand?